Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to delete Chrome history, so let's jump right into it. First, let's make sure that you have the Chrome browser updated. Go to your Play Store and search for Chrome. Tap on it and make sure that it is updated. For me it is not, so I'm going to update it, and once it is updated I go ahead and open it. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right. A menu will pop up. Tap on History. Now you are in the history right here. You can tap and hold on the history that you want to delete to select it. You can select them one by one or only the one you want to delete and tap on delete right here. Now if you want to delete a lot of browsing history, tap on clear browsing data. You can delete all the history that you want to delete within the time range that you select. Let's say I want to delete the history of the last day. I tap last 24 hours. If I want to delete all of it, tap on all time. Now, if you want to access more settings, tap on advanced right here and choose the history that you want to delete within these settings. After that, tap on clear data on the bottom right, and once you tap on clear from here, all the data and history will be deleted. And that's how we do it, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.